The trails of Milne Conservation Area are etched into my brain and my friends' brains and my dog's brain. Milne Conservation isn't just a park, it's a living, breathing ecosystem. Every time my dog stops to listen to a bird call, I find myself doing the same. It's a reminder that this land isn't just for us, it's a home to thousands of creatures, all connected in ways we're only beginning to understand. Milne Dam is a riparian ecosystem, a meeting place between land and water. The Rouge River acts as a highway for migrating birds, offering food and shelter in the heart of an urban landscape. This is an example of habitat connectivity, where wildlife can move between patches of habitat, which is very important for sustaining wildlife and ecosystems. Green spaces like this allow species to move, survive, and adapt in a world where human development is rapidly changing their environments. But not all species thrive here. Though the wetlands and forests filter water, prevent erosion, and provide habitat, they themselves are also quite fragile. This fragility can be seen in fallen trees from storms, invasive species creeping in, garbage left behind by visitors. Even our footsteps when straying from trails has an impact. This land has been home to many long before it became a designated conservation area. The Rouge River runs through the traditional territories of the Anishinaabe and the Haudenosaunee people, who understood that the land does not belong to us, but we belong to it. Through the Mi'kmaq concept of two-eyed seeing, we learn to view the world through both indigenous knowledge and Western science. Western science tells us that conservation protects biodiversity, and indigenous knowledge tells us that we must respect and build relationships with the land. Together, these perspectives offer a deeper understanding of how to care for places like Milne Dam. Walking these trails with my dog has changed the way that I see the place. Before, I would have hurried past a fallen tree without thinking about the fungi breaking it down, the insects burrowing inside, the bird's nest and its branches, and now I'm able to stop and observe, because conservation doesn't just happen in rainforests or marine reserves, it happens here, in the places we visit every day. It happens in the small choices we make staying on trails to protect fragile habitats, keeping our dogs from chasing wildlife, picking up litter even when it isn't ours. This place is home, to me, to my dog, to my family, to the birds whose songs fill the air, and like all homes, it deserves to be protected.